of C language. What is the history? Means who has developed this language? Why? Where? When? These all points. And what is the purpose behind developing this language? This is very much important point. C programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at AT&T Bell Labs of USA. Now why Dennis Ritchie has developed this language at that time? Actually, Dennis Ritchie was developing Unix operating system. Now, to develop Unix operating system, only the available languages at that time were B language and BCPL language. Okay, the B language and BCPL languages are system programming languages, and these two languages were not having the features those are required to develop this Unix operating system. And that's why this Dennis Ritchie has developed this C language first, and then this C language was used for the development of this Unix operating system. The main purpose behind developing this C language was development of Unix operating system. While development of this C language, Dennis Ritchie extracted most of the features from B and BCPL. Means at that time these two languages were present, B and BCPL languages. These two languages are system programming languages. System programming means the task which is required for the operation of system, and for that, suppose you are developing something, then that is called as a system programming. For example, if you are developing operating system, then that is called as a system programming. Then suppose you are developing any compiler or any device driver, these all are concerned with the system. That's why this type of programming is called as a system programming, and for that this B and BCPL language were used for system programming. But now C is again capable of doing system programming. We have already seen C is a middle level language. That's why we can write low level programming. We can do low level programming using C, as well as high level applications also can be developed using C language. That's why again it is called as a middle level language. And C, one more point is there, that is C inherits most of the features from B and BCPL language. This is all about history of C language.